In today's video, we're using Aunt Jackie's Curls and Coils Curl Maintenance, and we are just going to keep this simple and straight to the point. My hair is freshly washed and towel dried, and I'm just sectioning my hair off and applying the perm rods. And you want to make sure that you're getting your ends nicely and tightly wrapped around that perm rod, and then we're actually just rolling it straight up instead of doing any twist. When you roll them up, you just want to roll them up kind of like Shirley Temple curls, and then attach the latch across your root so it doesn't unravel. Towards the front, I am perm rodding them towards my forehead, and you want to make sure you're getting that hair tightly wrapped. And this is what it looks like after the full head is wrapped. And this is my first time doing it this way. I just wanted to test it out and see if the curls differentiated in any way. And when unraveling them, you can see you have a nice Shirley Temple curl. But we are not stuck in back in the day. We are stretching these bad boys out and separating them. So when you separate your hair, you want to make sure that you're twisting your hair in the way that it was on the perm rod set, so it's continuing to curl in the direction of the curl. Once you separate it, it'll start looking like this, and you just want to keep separating until you can't separate any longer. Now to stretch the hair, we are using a blow dryer, and we're just stretching the hair, holding the curls on the end and blowing at the root with the blow dryer, and that's how I achieve this stretched out look. I couldn't decide between the side part and the middle part because I've been trying to see if I could do the whole afro with no part and the bangs to the front, but the side part was just calling my name. But y'all will be proud of me because I did stick to the middle part, or the no part with the curls kind of in a bang formation. And this is pretty much how my hair turned out. I sat under a hooded dryer for about an hour and then slept in the perm rod so it could be fully dry. And this is the finished look. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you check out Aunt Jackie's Curl Maintenance. That's pretty much it for this look, guys. Never forget, at the end of the day, without regrets, love yourself and be you to full. Bye, guys.